Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now in this video we will see how we can accept the array and we will see how to print that array on console. So in last video we have seen how to declare arrays. So these are some of the ways that you can declare the arrays. Okay, so but here we will accept all the elements of array from user. Okay, so here we will see the code for accepting array in C language. Okay, so here I have mentioned main function and I have mentioned the size of array as 5. Okay, that is static memory allocation, means we can have only 5 elements to get stored in array. Okay, so first I want to print on console, that is enter 5 elements. Okay, so for that purpose I have used loop to accept the elements, and for accepting any input from user we have the scanf function. Okay, and we have here mentioned integer array, that's why here I have taken %d and ampersand a of I, and this loop will go on repeating for 5 times because I have size of array as 5. Okay, so I have started my index from I is equal to 0 and it will end up to I is less than 5. Okay, so for first iteration I will be 0 and first element will be accepted by user by using scanf function. Okay, and that will be allocated at a of 0. Okay, and that will be stored at a of 0. Okay, now this will be again repeated. Okay, so now I will get incremented and the value of I is equal to 1. Now the next element entered by user will be stored at location a of 1. Again I will be incremented and this will be done for 5 times. Okay, so suppose user have entered all the elements of array. Okay, so after that when value of I will be 5, then it will check for the condition 5 is less than 5 and this condition will not be satisfied. So it will come out of this loop and it will print array elements are, I have used here /n, so the next element will be printed on the next line, and for printing purpose again I have used loop to print all the 5 elements which are already entered by user and stored in the array. So I have to just display that elements. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. So printf, here I don't need to use ampersand sign. So printf %d a of I, first time when I is equal to 0 it will print the first element, again the count will be incremented by 1, then it will print second element, that is a of 1. Okay, and in between these two I want tab space, that's why I have included here /t, and this loop will go on repeating for 5 times. Okay, and when the condition will not be satisfied here, so it will come out of the loop and it will return 0. So here we have entered the element for 5 elements by user and it will be printed by for loop. Okay, so if you want to see what will be the output, then it will look like enter 5 elements, that will be printed on console. After that user have to enter 5 elements. Either you can use tab, either you can use space bar, or enter button to enter 5 elements. Okay, so suppose user entered 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then when you press enter button, then you will have the output as array elements are, it will be displayed like this. Okay, so this is the output of program that will create array in C. Hope so you have understood how to create array in C, what are the functions that are used to accept input from user, how the loops are used, If you have any queries, then let me know with your comments, and if you like my videos, then never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.